Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and today I'm looking at a book from Law Society Publishing. It's got the interesting title, Outcomes. You can see the book there, we'll look at it in a minute. It's got a subtitle, Focused Regulation, or OFR. And this is a practical guide from Legal Handbooks, which is part of the various publications the Law Society produced. This is the book here. It's the front cover. There's the back cover. The book's written by Andrew Hopper, Queen's Counsel, and Gregory Treverton-Jones, Queen's Counsel, both of whom will be known to you because they have published a series of books from the Law Society. The book itself is standard. It's got paragraph numbering at the sides. There's a useful introduction which is well worth reading with abbreviations at the front, and then you've got quite a lot for half of the book, quite a lot of commentary on where we are at the moment with regulation. Then we get into the appendices, which is about halfway through, starting with an introduction to the SRA Handbook, which I have reviewed separately. Then we look at the Code of Conduct itself, which is there as an example, and then finally we get to a draft SRA Handbook glossary. And what we're really looking at, also there is OFR at a glance too, which is quite useful, plus of course at the back a small index. Now what we're talking about here, and we've given it the title on the web, our book review is well worth reading. Now it's the lighter approach for solicitors, and I think that really sums up the way we're moving. What I'm saying is this: light touch or heavy hand. When it comes to regulating the legal profession, most solicitors, and not to mention barristers, would prefer the former to the latter. Obviously there has been a view that we've been over-regulated in the past in both parts of the profession. This was certainly borne out, in our view, by the Solicitors Code of Conduct 2007, which was unsuccessful to say the least, being, quote, too long, too detailed and too prescriptive, in the words of the authors. What I'm saying about this book, and you've seen what it actually contains, it's not particularly heavy as a book, it's only 250 pages, but it does actually look at the direction we're going in. So let me sum up by saying that in the words of the authors, OFR, that's Outcomes Focused Regulation, is, quote, a brand new rule book, and that's really where we are in 2011-12. It requires solicitors to get used to principles and outcomes as opposed to prescriptive sets of rules. We've no doubt that most solicitors will thrive in this new, relaxed and more enlightened professional environment in which the lighter touch will predominate. But they'll still need the guidance that makes this book actually what it is. It amply provides a lot of additional information, basically to give advice. So in our view it makes it a must-have purchase for the up-to-date practitioner. And I'd like to thank Law Society Publishing and the authors for getting to grips with this so quickly. I think it's extremely helpful for all of us in practice. Thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye.